up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I woke up today not feeling the greatest, so we're gonna take it kinda easy. In our Extreme Makeover Dollhouse Edition video for this space, some of you had questions about why I cut a large window out of the bathroom. This is a dollhouse, and I wanted to be able to access every little corner. The shower makes this a very narrow space, and I have giant human hands. So cutting out a large opening gives me access to that space and lets in a lot of light, which is very important to me for my doll photos. And I can always just place the old window behind it when I want to blur the view. Next question. Toya, will you put the film back on the glass wall so the dolls can have privacy? I've been watching a lot of Selling Sunset on Netflix, and glass bathrooms are a thing. I did consider putting a black grid on the glass, but I don't know, I kind of like it as is. But I do want to bring a fireplace back into the space. We had this removable fireplace in our original studio apartment, and the bathroom was on the back. But now that the bathroom is built into the room, I think we can pull some of this apart. Let's carefully remove the mantle, remove any excess paper. I salvaged the fireplace printable and the mantle, as well as some of the foam board. The foam board is 18 inches tall. I'm gonna cut it down to 15 3/4 inches, and I cut it to 8.5 inches wide. I cut a second board to the same measurements and two 1.5 inch strips. I glue the fireplace onto one of the boards and cut out an opening on the other so we can see the image. I add a little black paper underneath. Then I take a 1.5 inch strip of black foam board and create a frame that's lower on the bottom. I cover the back with scrapbook paper, take the piece with the cutout, and let's glue on those 1.5 inch strips. Cover it with paper, remove the paper from the cutout, then glue the two pieces together. Let's see, does it stand? It does! Originally, I cut it a 1/4 inch shorter than the walls because I thought we were going to have to add a base to keep it stable. But it seems to be doing pretty good. I don't think we need it. Let's just re-glue the mantle, and I added a few glue sticks to the bottom for weight. If we want to add a base for more support, we can always do that later. But right now, we have a movable wall that's a fireplace on one side and a brick wall on the other. I wanted to use the same paper all the way around, but I just didn't have enough. So this is gonna have to do for now. And if we place it on the edge of the room, we can pretend like it's a wall for outside. I really like how it divides our kitchen area from the rest of the living space, giving us a little walkway. But our sofa is totally too large. We have to replace it. But we will get to that later. If we want to add a little glow to the fireplace, I'm going to add some fairy lights to a piece of foam board, cover rolls of paper with our bark printable, glue them onto the foam board, place it in the bottom of the fireplace for a little glow. Now that we have our fireplace, my mind is going to stocking stuffers. Because, you know, stockings hang on a fireplace and they have stocking stuffers. It makes sense. I was at Walgreens and I found these original Squishmallows Mystery Squad. I got them for like $2.40. Can they fit in a stocking? Yes, they can. I just removed the wrapper and we have a little cylinder that can open to reveal Charles. That's his name. It says so right here. This mini plush is a tiny bit larger than a Squishville, but I think we could still use it as a little plushie for the dollhouse. And we could probably use the packaging as a side table, nightstand, or a stool. And they come in different colors. Let's open this up to see which one is inside. It's Harrison with a fuzzy belly. And the capsule is the same color as my couch. And here it is as a nightstand. Well, we do need two nightstands. So let's open another one. Oh, it's the same plushie. Okay, moving on. I haven't bought an LOL Surprise doll in a minute, but I thought this LOL Surprise swap looked interesting. Can it fit in the stocking? Yep. This was about $10. We get one doll with 2 looks. Let's open it up. There's a sticker. Oh, that's right. It's like a little picture riddle. Sweet or sour. Then remove the next layer. There's all these little trap doors. Okay, let's open this up. And it's a face. Yep. Now we can open the rest of the capsule, right? It should open. There we go. Here are the surprises. Wrapped in paper, we have a little bathing suit, a pearl headband, our second outfit, shoes, a hat, and the doll. There's a collector's guide that shows us we got Miss C. Here she is with her first look. I do like the arm placement. I think that's kind of cute. There is a lot of space between her hair and her face, so we can add the second face and make her second look. It is a cool idea. I think I like the second face better. I think all the space between the hair and the face on the first look was just throwing me a little. Disney Doorables. They were on sale for like $2.40 something cents. They can fit in a stocking. This is Mini Peak T039 from Series 10. I absolutely love Disney Doorables. Will we get 2 or 3 figures inside? Let's see. This one has... Yay! 3. Opening bag 37. We get... It's Cusco from Emperor's New Groove. Bag 19 is... Alfredo from Ratatouille. I do love how Disney Doorables lists the names of the characters underneath them in the collector's guide, so we don't have to guess what they are. Mini Brands Fashion. This is bag 5 with Giggles McDimples from Toy Story. Speaking of Mini Brands Fashion, Series 3 is showing up in stores. It can fit in a stocking. There are 60 plus iconic minis to collect, and we do have a full review on our channel. Here's the collector's guide showing all the bags and accessories to collect. In our original video, I thought these were hair bows. Someone says that they are bow ties. There's plenty of space for a label. Just saying. I still have a few bags I'm hoping to get. This white purse and this mushroom bag. That one, but that's ultra rare, so let's just see what we got. It's the white and black one, which is a double for me, but it's a really cute purse. And the accessories are gold press-on nail stickers, a gold-colored heart necklace, a belt. I broke my first one, so I'm just gonna leave this one alone. And we have a gold-colored headband. Ooh, everything matches. Mini Brands books are also in stores this holiday season. They fit into a stocking, and we have a full video for these as well. In fact, we have several on our bookcase right now, and now we'll have a few more. There's a collector's guide and 4 mystery bags inside. You can also get a bookmark or a magnifying glass, and I think that's supposed to count as the 5th surprise. Our first book is The BFG, which is a double for me. Our second book is Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, and a bookmark. Our third book is Library of Souls, and our fourth book is Vampire Diaries. Yes! We only get a couple of readable pages at the beginning of the book. See, after that, they're kind of blurry. Personally, I love making my own miniature books. We've been making inspired minis for years, and we changed the titles to make them dollhouse friendly, even when the inspo is not. I just made these. They are self-help inspired doll books. I know I'm not the target audience, but I'm still buying this doll for me. It's my doll, I can do what I want. I know her hair won't grow back. And Block Party, deleting comments for mental health, protecting your peace. Sorry, when I'm not feeling well, my happy filter is not where it normally is. But our printables are free to download from our blog. So if you want to DIY your own stocking stuffers, this could be an option. And this printable uses craft foam instead of foam board, so it's a lot easier to cut. And there are 2 readable pages. We do have books that have all readable pages as well. These are just a lot faster to make. I am constantly adding new titles, so be sure to check our blog. I have to blame Elite Doll World for this. Baby Born Surprise. Will we get 2 or 3 babies? I want to say this was $10 at Target, and it does fit in a stocking. They are little surprise mini babies. We get a really cute little case as the packaging. And how do we open it? From the top? Yeah. Inside, we'll find 1 swaddle and our babies. Looks like we're getting 2. There's a birth certificate and a collector's guide. I think we have the cozy Coco twins. Let's unwrap the little mini babies. Oh, they're cute. They're super small. They do have some articulation. We have the basic 5 points. Movement at the head, at the shoulder, and at the hip. The clothing is sculpted and painted on. Let's open our second baby. Okay, these little winter vibes are perfect for the holidays. And they match the couch. I feel like this is a sign not to replace it, but we have to. It's too large. The next question is, can these work with Barbies? Good thing Barbie Fashionista 215 arrived, celebrating 65 years of Barbie fashion. This fashionista's look is inspired by Barbie's Rockers look from 1986. She has pretty long black hair, brown eyes, a pink lip color. She is a little pixelated and shiny, but it's actually not too bad. She wears a pink sleeveless shirt with stars, a skirt with a printed shimmer, and a ruffle. The skirt has no opening in the back, and the shirt velcros. She comes with a purple bracelet and white boots. I like the boots. However, I would have liked to have seen a real shimmer on the skirt, rather than a printed one. When compared to a Barbie, the baby is a little small, but you probably could get away with it if you really wanted to. And for those of you who want to know, this Barbie Fashionista looks like a decent match for the green tie-dye yoga made to move Barbie body. But those are just a few ideas for stocking stuffers. And yes, Barbie Fashionistas can fit in a stocking. Thank you for joining us while we added a fireplace to our dollhouse and checked out a few stocking stuffers. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.